Yeah, my name is Akash Shukla, your educator at NT. If you guys are preparing for any banking and insurance exam in 2021 and 2022, then guys, there is a very good news for you. In this video, we'll be discussing another bank exam new notification that can be a very good opportunity for you. Yes, guys. What is the another bank exam new notification? SBI announced, guys, SBI circle based officer notification. Yes guys, and total around 1226 posts are there. So we will be discussing this notification in detail, what will be the salary and how you can apply for the post. So let's start the video. Guys, if I talk about the total number of vacancy, I have already told you circles are Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Bhopal, Chennai, Jaipur. Okay, these are the circle, and Bengaluru is also the circle, Chennai. So guys, total the regular and backlog vacancies are 1226, in which the regular vacancies are 1100 and backlog vacancies are 126. Guys, age limit, if I talk about the age limit, so you must not be below 21 years and not more than 30 years. This is the age requirement for the general category. Yes, as per the government rule, age relaxations are there, like for SC, ST, OBC category, PWD candidate. So age relaxations are also there. Talking about the selection procedure, only one written exam is necessary, guys. Okay, one written exam that will be followed by the screening test and then the interview process. So guys, talking about the written test, so objective test will be there of 2 hours. Okay, and 2 hours, 4 section will be there, like English language, banking knowledge, general awareness, economy, computer aptitude. 30, 40, 30, 20 question respectively of 30, 40, 30, 20 marks, and section timing will also be there, 30, 40, 30, 20 minutes respectively. In this way, this is how you will have the 120 questions of 120 marks on 2 hours duration. And this objective test will be again followed by the descriptive test. जैसे objective test खत्म होता है, आपको descriptive test देना होगा, and this descriptive test will include letter writing और essay writing. ठीक है, जहाँ पर आपको 50 मार्क्स का ये टेस्ट दिया जाता है, और जो आपका शॉर्ट लिस्ट होंगे आप on the basis of objective test and descriptive test separately, guys. ठीक है. Now let me tell you one thing, कि yeah, there will be no penalty for the wrong answer marked in the objective test. This is what in the notification written. ठीक है. Screening test की बात करें तो for the screening test there will be a separate committee that will be checking your document and matching your profile with the particular post that you have applied. This is the objective of the committee for the screening test. Now guys, let me tell you कि again I have already told you कि interview process will be there. Experience, if we come to the experience, so you guys will be asking कि sir what is the experience required. So guys, as on 1st December 2021, experience minimum 2 years experience post essential academic qualification experience as on 1st December 2021 as an officer in any scheduled commercial bank or any regional rural bank as listed in a second schedule of Reserve Bank of India. ये इसमें एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए. टॉकिंग अबाउट द पे गाइस, पे बहुत ही अच्छा है भाई. The starting basic pay is 36,000, which is far more than the PO and clerical level. 36,000 is the basic pay only, and in the notification itself it is mentioned that you will also be getting DA, HRA, lease rental, CCA, medical and other allowances and prerequisites as per the rules in force from time to time. And guys, 36,000 is the basic salary, and along with the basic salary you will be getting good amount of allowances. Not only the allowances, you will also be getting the perks and benefits. So guys, definitely you can easily expect your salary more than 1 lakh, at least 1 lakh. And if you will be posted in an expensive city like Mumbai or Bengaluru, then guys, definitely you will be having more than 1 lakh salary. So very good amount of salary you will be getting. So this notification or this opportunity gonna be the best for you in 2021. You can apply for the post, because from today onwards you can start applying. This is what I wanted to tell you. If you guys are preparing for any banking and insurance exam, whether this one or any exam in 2021 or 2022 and RACET 2022, then you guys can join the Entry app. Link you can find in the description field in the pinned comment tab as well, and start attempting free of cost high quality mock test, section test, topic wise and free of cost video lesson. This is Akash Shukla signing off, and good luck for the examination, guys. Thank you very much, and like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.